update video. Okay. So what are we hoping for? It's another Primal Clash. Again. Okay. I want stuff.
All the
Stuff,
EXs.
yeah.
What is it? Wailord,
Yeah.
Groudon, and Gardevoir are the main three.
Yeah.
Is there any other ones?
Genesect or what?
Are they? They're in a newer set. Anyways.
Yeah, okay. So first we've got a Kakuna, an Escape Rope, Celio, I don't know, Ludicolo, whatever. Gardevoir Spirit Link, Torchic, Marrow,
Like, fly mountain.
Skip,
Seriously.
Corpish. Oh,
Yeah.
I knew that.
Yeah, I don't know.
And a Horsey. Horsey. Okay. I like this guy.
That was pretty good.
Ludicolo. Got it. Nailed it. Ludicolo.
It packs like 3. Ludicolo is, I think he's pretty bad actually.
I rated it 21.
Reverse Spirit Link.
I rated a half.
Half, okay.
Half.
Pretty bad rating.
2.
Yeah.
2.
I rated it
Anyways,
a half.
thanks for watching. We'll see you in tomorrow's video. Don't forget to drop a like, subscribe,
And if you
comment
don't like
your half.